Now, here's how you can set your current location as home in Google Maps. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc so you never miss videos like these in the future. Anyways, what you have to do is to make sure you open up the Google Maps, cancel whatever you were doing before, and in order to change the home location, you need to tap on your name or profile picture right there, then proceed to the settings, which should appear right here. And when you scroll down a bit towards the bottom, you have the edit home or work section. So it is part of the account settings. You know, the layout might be slightly different. Perhaps there was a new update in the meantime, but you should be able to find this. So click on this. And now we have the home and work. So click on home. But when you click on it, it's going to get you to the actual map. But instead of just tapping on this, make sure to select the three dots right here for more options. And now you can click on edit home. So when you click on this, you can choose essentially, you can type in that location right here, right? Or you can choose on a map. And when you go to this very selection, what you can click on is to tap on this current location. Obviously, you need to have it set up. But when you click on this, the dot is going to be moved over right there. So this is what it kind of looks like. I zoomed it out a little bit just so you don't see my exact location, but this is essentially how you can just choose your current location as this one. So now you just tap on OK and it's just going to be saved as your home address. So this is how it works. But obviously, if you can just remember the actual address, you can click on edit home as just type that in, or you can just copy it from the maps. But here at the top, you can essentially just, type in the street number and also, the number of the house and everything. So this is how you can set it up. Now, that's going to be about it. I don't want to drag out the video any longer than it needs to be. So if you found it helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below. I'm going to catch you in the future video.